Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Friday, April the 3rd, and the time is around 3:30 a.m. GMT. Today we'll be looking at the chart of the Euro Yen. This is a 45 minutes chart, and right here we see that this rally here to 121.1 ended with 2, and then the pair has started to resume lower. Now then this means we are in the wave 3 right now in the blue degree, in which case the subdivision is currently unfolding as a 5 waves, right? And we got this 1 and 2, and then now looking to finish with 3. You can see this one here also has a very nice 5 waves subdivision here. The wave 3 also looking impulsive so far. Okay, so all in all then we are looking for further downside here in the Euro Yen. If I upgrade to the larger degree to take a look at what we are looking now, I will be watch this wave 2 here. If I go to the daily, this is the wave 2 that we saw in the 45 minutes, and so this got to be the wave 1. So we are talking about this move from here, from January 4, right? From January 4, 2020, from this peak here, so January 14, we have a 5 ways down basically, in which we finish this one. It could be some sort of diagonal here, 2, and then now we are in the wave 3. So if you take a look at the daily, just if we forget Elliott wave for a second, now you can see it continues to make a lower low and lower high, and so this is obviously not bullish, right? Obviously not bullish, and the trend remains bearish. Now this is about to break below that previous low. Now if it does break below the previous low, that will actually confirm we are going to extend lower. Now for now we have not broken below it, but it is pretty close to breaking below it. Usually when it is so close like this, most of the time probability is that instead of making a double bottom and then go higher, most of the time it will just break below it, right? I think probability wise it is more likely to break than doing a double bottom or something like that. Now on top of that, if we take a look at the 1 hour chart, also the subdivision so far looks quite impulsive, right? Quite impulsive, and no doubt about it. So that also favors the idea again that more likely than not we're gonna break. Now the simplest way to know where this is gonna go, assuming we're gonna break below wave 1, which is I think at this point is the higher probability, then simply you can just measure the extension, and then let's say, okay, I'm just gonna wave 3 is equal to wave 1. Typically wave 3 is the longest, but sort of like the minimum, right? The minimum should be looking for some sort of wave 3 equal wave 1, right? Which can bring us to around 114.4. Now that will basically be confirmed once we break below wave 1, but even we have not, again, like what we discussed before, I think the higher probability at this point is that we are going to extend lower. All right, so that means any bounce here in the shorter cycle. Now of course in the shorter cycle there could be an adjustment here and there. There is no question we can be doing double in the wave 4. For example, we can do something like this, and so but that's like a 15 minutes oscillation. It doesn't really change the overall idea that we are looking for the downside as long as we stay below here 121.1. We could see for the downside the minimum target 114.4 here, and if it break below this one in blue here, then of course that will even solidify the view that we have. Okay, so that's the update from the Euro Yen today. If you do like the video, please do like and subscribe, and also you can check our service. We have 14 days free trial, and I'll provide the link to the free trial in the description of the video. So see you all again next week, and have a nice weekend to you all.